Hello, I am Garrett Cook with Cook Home Services. I am the head coach, which basically means I manage the day-to-day operations and make sure that my team can take care of our customers. Water heaters that we provide. So when it comes to electric water heaters, there's three typical types of water heaters that we offer. So we have your traditional metal tank water heater. That may be what a lot of people have seen in their home. It's just a 50 gallon, 40 gallon metal water heater that's basically plain and simple. We offer a whole range of those that either from your most basic to your fancy that have leak sensors and automatic shutoff valves and Wi-Fi controls so that you can protect your home. And then our favorite one that we offer, probably do the most of, is what we call a plastic water heater. And it's very similar to the standard electric water heater, same size, same capacity, but it is a lifetime water heater. So there's no metal tank, there's nothing to ever rupture or corrode. It's simply a plastic water heater that you have for the rest of your life in that house. And then our final one that we have is what we call a hybrid heat pump water heater. Now they're our most energy efficient form of electric water heater, and they do have some special applications, meaning they're not right for everybody's home. However, they do offer amazing energy savings and some very comfortable usage of your hot water. And then when it comes to gas water heaters, there are three main types of gas water heaters that we offer. Our first one is probably our tankless water heater. And they're super energy efficient. They're also super comfortable. Almost think of it as like endless hot water produced at the most energy efficient levels. The thing I love about tankless water heaters is typically they have about 2 to 3 times the life expectancy of a traditional gas water heater. You're in that somewhere between 20 to 25 years when they're installed well and they're taken care of. And then you have kind of what I call middle of the road gas water heaters. That means they're a little more energy efficient. They're also a little safer than your traditional water heater. And those are ones that are going to actually have a fan on them as they exhaust the gas fumes out of there, very similar to a furnace, a gas furnace. And again, a little bit more energy efficient, but it's still a water heater that is a metal tank and is not going to last probably more than, on average is about 8 years, depending on how well it's taken care of. You can obviously get longer. And then our final set of water heaters is our traditional, what do we call atmospheric or gravity vented water heater. And that's simply where as you're burning that gas to heat the water, those fumes use the principle of hot air rising to escape your home. So from a safety standpoint, you can understand that those are probably the least from a safe level, but they're also the most common. And they range from, anywhere from 30 gallons to, 90 gallons. And again, very limited life expectancy, but also they do work